Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're down here at Nightmare's End Haunted House down in Hopkinsville, Kentucky, kind of south central area. This is a professional haunt that takes place in the owner's backyard, and I'm here to tell you there's a lot more to this place than what meets the eye. We're gonna take you inside the whole thing with us, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Oh! Are you excited? It's almost Halloween? Hi! Oh my. Ooh, that's a creepy mask. Maybe it's a mask, I don't know.
Oh man, look at that facade.
I know, that's awesome. Uh-oh. I don't know about that one though.
Oh my.
Oh goodness. What you got?
I got a kitty cat!
It's a pretty
I like that kitty cat.
She's excited.
Does that mean she's excited or she's ready to kill somebody?
I
Or
don't know.
I think yes.
oh, whose face is that?
Different people!
It's people's face?
Different.
Yeah, lots of people's face.
You scared yet?
I'm always scared. I stay scared. Oh gosh. Okay, well, you know.
They like them when they scare.
Oh yeah, I bet. They feed off of fear. They feed off of our fear. Yeah. I'm looking for Easter eggs. Oh, there's one right there, yeah!
Oh yeah.
It's Team Zombilies!
That's an oldie.
Oh, you guys hear that?
There's
Am I-
Hambone.
Oh my. What is that? Oh goodness.
Not happy.
Ew, their eyes are creepy. Oh! Their eyes are so creepy.
Oh yeah, they are. Holy cow.
More spiders! Oh, there we are again.
Yeah.
Oh, is that another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's our black and white horror. Oh, the spiders! This is
Whoa.
gross. Oh my god. Oh, that's so creepy.
Oh, there's this one back here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, somebody sounds
You're what?
upset.
Nope.
What's your name, huh? Get over here,
Nick.
what's your name?
That's Nick.
I'm Nick.
Oh, Nick.
Hello.
Stop talking to them!
Yes.
Let's go!
Okay, I'm so sorry. We're going.
I'm the gatekeeper. Welcome to Nightmare's End!
Yeah.
Put a smile on that face.
Oh, okay. All right. Or a scream.
Yeah, maybe that.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh, very.
I like the gatekeeper.
You would not think all this was back here.
I know.
Whoa.
Oh. That zombie just came to life.
This is. I love this.
Zombies. Oh my. Oh god.
Oh shoot. That one's really mad.
Very dark.
Oh, it's very dark, yeah. Oh, what is that?
Oh my.
Ooh.
Oh.
You know I love these. Yay.
Oh, this
Oh,
one's
he's
pretty.
stalking.
It is.
Oh.
Ooh.
You got a stalker?
I think she just.
I
Uh-oh.
don't know what that was, and I don't see anything.
I don't see nothing back here. Might have been a ghost.
I don't see nothing. That's creep. That is. Ooh.
Is this a random?
Oh, she's coming back.
Okay. Okay. There was something back there. Oh. He wants his rabbits. Oh gosh.
Run, rabbit,
Okay.
run.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Step up.
Natural
Oh
foliage
my.
here.
We gotta. Ooh. Oh my god.
Oh.
Well,
my.
I don't know how to get out of it, or. Oh, maybe. Do we live?
No.
It's debatable.
Oh, they're totally real.
Tyler. Nice to meet you. Oh, hi, Prop. I'm glad you're alive. Yeah, we both friends. Yeah. The Prop is alive.
The toes! No, I gotta keep those. Yes, I do.
We're walking on them right now.
Oh God.
don't need to run.
We're going this way.
I don't know.
We'll trip and fall if we don't have toes when we run.
Look at that! Our little Hellfire Club from Timu came through! Outstanding! Welcome to the next portal.
Oh,
After
portal?
this,
Oh.
Amos is off the leash. There's nothing I can do for you, dear buddy rabbit. Gremlins! They're out to see a witch!
Uh-oh.
And Blue Loco waits!
Bruja Loca. Okay.
She don't bite no
Yep.
more.
Are you?
Uh-oh.
Woo!
Oh, into the portal.
To the portal.
Into the portal.
Goodness.
This is loud.
I
This
see
is such
light.
a long portal. Woo!
I know.
Oh my!
Look at
That's the witch.
Yeah. You're good. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
Gave me
Ay,
a
ay,
fright.
ay.
Oh no.
No! You can have the witch's toes.
You can't run without your toes.
I know.
This means you can stay longer.
Oh God.
That doesn't look.
You must have
That
portaled
doesn't
through
look
with
healthy.
us.
Oh. Oh, I was talking about that guy out there. He
You're
doesn't
not
look
gonna be
healthy.
needing either one of those.
I think we're okay.
Nick, what do we get ourselves into?
I don't know. Nothing good.
Never anything good! Hi, Nick.
Hi.
Sorry.
I'm doing all right.
Normally it's pretty dark.
Oh goodness.
Said it
We made it twice.
That is actually
did it.
no. I'm gonna keep going this way. No.
Run, rabbit! You got
Still, yeah.
Huh?
I don't.
Welcome to the land!
I want to keep my toes.
You want to die with him?
I want to keep my toes.
Dog, and I'll let you go home!
We got to find the
Don't
dog.
find my puppy dog!
All right.
You can do it!
We'll do it for you.
For a dog?
Yes, we have to find the dog.
Oh no.
I'm not done with you yet.
What the frick?
We're looking
What
for
the
the
hell is
dog.
that?
The dog.
But where is it?
Oh
Oh God. Oh what the?
Behind us.
Oh, what the hell?
no. Is it this way?
I don't know. I don't like it.
I'm.
Oh my God. Why does that sound like an actual dog?
I,
Ugh. We're lost in the dark.
oh.
Oh, something just whacked me. Oh.
Oh wait.
Ooh.
Hold on. Maybe this way. Oh.
Marco.
Uh oh.
Oh, there's another dog. Caw-caw! Oh my goodness. Ooh. Y'all got some good vocals.
Uh huh.
Told you I'm not done with you
Oh
yet.
man.
Oh shoot.
Told you I'm not done with you yet.
Oh.
Come here.
No, go Nick.
No. Never. I refuse.
I want small pieces.
Oh
Small
my God.
pieces.
Pieces.
Small pieces.
I'm keeping my
No,
toes.
you should stop doing your cannibalistic ways.
No.
It's too late.
Yes. Uh-oh, Johnson's. You got Oh God!
We meet again.
My toes. Oh God! I think I still have my toes. I don't know.
Yeah, so far.
They took off.
All right, so that was Nightmare's End. And here in Hopkinsville, Kentucky. We haven't quite escaped with all of our toes. This guy really wants them. Definitely come down here and check him out if you find yourself down here in South Central Kentucky. Tell him the Scare Factor sent you. We're going to a few more haunts while we're down here in the area. I've got one of them linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.